But now I'm 20 something. About who I am or what. So call me a pessimist. If finding a true love, 'cause I felt sad love, sometimes happy love, giving up.
So first add the audio and go to 17:21 duration. Click the plus sign, then add one photo. Hold this until it turns green and go to the end of this project, then click this. At this point, start screen recording. Click again the plus sign and click this vector drawing to add random shapes. To start adding shape, you need to swipe this part and tap this plus sign to place it on your photo. Go back, then add another random shapes until you fully cover the first clip. When you're done, click the first clip we add, then click this to duplicate it. My shapes total is 18, so I need to duplicate my image until it becomes 18 photo, because one shape is equivalent to one photo. When you're done, select all shapes. Then go to the end of the project. Then click this. Now we're gonna group one photo and one shape. Therefore select one photo and one shape, then click this. Repeat the step until you group all shapes and photo one by one. When it's done, stop screen recording, then go to CapCut. Add new project, then add the screen record we record earlier. Import the sound we're using, go to Match Cut, then add beat. Add beat on this part, so remember this part.
Bad love, I feel.
Now click the clip, then adjust the speed. As you can see this part, that will be our clip duration if our speed is 30.7x, and it will change if we drag the circle in other speed. We need our duration to be 16.8 seconds to 17s only. If we reach the max speed that we need, let's freeze at the end of our clip. The end of our clip that we need to freeze must be the photo only and no shapes like this. Adjust the freeze until after the beat like this. Now add keyframe. The second keyframe must be on beat, then zoom it. Our format size must be 9:16 and our clip must be fit in there. When you're done, delete first the audio before exporting your project and go to Alight motion. Go to the start part of our project, then add the video we edit in CapCut.
I feel sad.
Now cut the excess part that we don't need, then add an ether photo like this. Go to the end of our project, then click this. Now click and hold the 3 line in our clip, then drag it down to the second layer. The second keyframe must be on 24:00. Just click that beat, and it will turn red to be our pattern. Then move the group mask like this, then add graph. Just copy the graph we did. Do it in the other layer. Copy the graph and just paste it to the next layer so that you will not do it again and again. Now to add shadow, click the layer and click border and shadows. Choose the box with shadow, then turn on shadow. Size is 15 and alpha is 75%. Now select all group and mask, then group it in one group by clicking this. Now add beat on 2309 and 2400. Click the image, then click Move and Transition. Click this, then add to keyframes on the beat. Then zoom the layer on second keyframe. Now click this, so that we can adjust the position. Add to keyframes, then move the layer on the second keyframe. Now click the group layer, then click Blending and Opacity. Add to keyframe and adjust the opacity to 0 at the 2 end keyframe.
So I end up giving up.
Now export and save this in our gallery. Now add new project, then add the video we export recently. Click the clip, then split it on the 2 beats, because we're gonna do the shake effect. Click Effect and add tiles, then turn on mirror. Export it again and let's proceed to CapCut. Split on the part that it's our die zoom.
So I end up
Add animation in swing bottom 5s.
Give up. Tired of giving up.
Now add overlay like this. Add splice, lighten, adjust its duration, then copy it. Now add animation in both overlay. In fade in 1.0 second.
Giving happy love. Tired of giving
Next is
up.
to add plain black overlay. Adjust it like this, then add animation in fade in.
Happy love. Tired of giving up.
When you're done, export it,